doing? Happy New Year. If you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Happy New Year to you as well. So today we're going to be doing a review on this wig that I have on right here, right now. We're going to do a little bit of styling, and then we're going to chat about the wig. So if you're interested in any of that, then just keep on watching. But before we get into the video, sis, I'm going to need you to subscribe. Like, I mean, come on. It takes a second. It's right down below. It's free. All you got to do is click it or tap it or whatever. But please make sure you subscribe. It's 2020 and your girl is trying to grow her channel, okay? So, I'm going to need you to subscribe before we continue. Don't hold us up, sis. Okay? Let's go. Real quick, I wanted to just come on and say, when I was putting the Sally Hansen leg spray on the underside of the wig and preparing to style it and stuff like that, I went a little too ham, just a little bit too ham with the leg spray, so it kind of seeped through and got on the hair. And I was also rushing when trying to apply this wig because I had somewhere to go, so I didn't really have time to correct it in the process of filming this video. But I did go back and correct it a day later. Okay, so as I already showed y'all, this is a 13x4 frontal. This wig is brought to you by Celie hair. Shout out to Celie hair. Thank you so much for sending me this unit. This is a 13x4 kinky straight frontal. The length is 22 inches, and as I showed y'all, it has 3 combs, like at the back of the frontal portion, a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and it came with the elastic band. And it came in this box and in this plastic bag thing. I forgot about this. This also came with the package. It's like a little track pant material bag. It had a bonnet in it. Cute color. This little booklet situation, and then a pack of wig caps. So that's what was in there as well. Oh, they sent me like a little tote with like their logo on it. I love this purple. It's so like royal and cute. Like, I love this purple. This is a really cute purple. I'm digging it. Now, I did not put any heat to this because... Hi, it's me from the present. So I actually did go in and straighten this wig, and I honestly thought that with straightening it was going to make it a little less full, because I found that when I had the wig on, like just throughout the week with no makeup on, it looked kind of wiggy on me because it was just way too thick and way too full. So if I were you, I would go for 130% density if you like you know, an everyday, more natural type of wig. Because for me, I like my wigs to be more of a natural density, and my hair just naturally isn't this full and isn't this thick. So yeah, because I feel like if I would have put heat to it, it would have made it more like silky, and that's really not what I wanted for this wig. I wanted it to look like exactly like this, like, you know, like I just literally blow dried my hair and left it like this. Like, I love the way this looks. So yeah, like I didn't want to put any heat to it or anything like that. The front of the wig, it did come pre-plucked, but it was not, like, I did have to pluck it. So this is about like how much hair I plucked out of it, and I didn't pluck all the way across. I only plucked like here and then like some in between pieces, just in case I wanted to do a side part or a middle part or whatever. So I plucked it like that. But the hair is really, really soft, and it has a lot of movement and body. Like, it's really, really soft, and it's really, really light too. Like, it's very lightweight. As you can see, like the way it's moving, I mean, it probably looks super thick and full. I forgot to mention it is 150% density. It probably looks super thick and full, but it's very light, and it has a lot of movement to it as well. It is the end of the night. Like, it's been a very long day, hence me looking super oily and my makeup breaking up right here. Like, I have been out all day, so I'm looking real oily. Like, I'm looking real oily, but I've had this wig on all day, and so far I've only gotten really like a couple of snags at the nape of the neck. Nothing too crazy like at all. Okay, so that's pretty much a wrap. I don't really have much else to say about this wig. As I said, it is a first impression, but if you're interested in the wig, I will leave the direct link down in the description box, as well as the link to their website, so you can check it out if you're interested. But if you made it this far into the video, give your girl a thumbs up and leave your girl a comment, okay? And happy new year. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings.